Hey, so this is Matt Lynch, BMXer from Skyway, New Jersey. This is United Nations BMX 1, and I'm doing a bike check update. I'm just gonna say the parts that I got new. So I got kink Midtown bars. They're pretty much the same as Uptown, which are my old ones. They're 8-inch rise and I think 28-inch width or wide or whatever. ODI long neck grips, ODI nylon bar ends. I have a United hook guard in the back, and I have a GLH, Animal GLH 2.25 tire in the front, and a Animal Tom Whitewall 2.0 tire in the back. So yeah, that's my current bike right now, and those are my old bars, Kink Uptown. Okay, peace.